What's up, babe? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya. If this is your very first time here. Today we have another wig slay girl. This wig is from WowAfrican. All the links to this hair will be in the description box. Thank you so much to WowAfrican for sponsoring us today. Before we hop into the video, please make sure that you hit subscribe below if you have not yet, so that you are updated when new videos come out. Also make sure that you hit that notification bell as well, so that you are updated when new videos go up. All right, y'all. Let's slay this wig. All right, y'all, so we have another wig slay today. I think my cap might be a little too light, but we gonna see that in a moment. So like I said in the intro, this wig is from WowAfrican. I really love WowAfrican's wigs. They always are good with me. They always give really good quality, and I love it. So this is our wig. It is a kinky straight wig, and I've been loving kinky straight wigs, girl. The inside, the lace does go all the way across, and right now it's parted in the middle, which probably looks like the best option, but yeah, this is how it's made. It does have a strap inside, girl. And it is a bob wig. So this short has a blunt cut. We are gonna see if we need to like finesse it a little bit, cut it a little shorter, you know, but you know, we gonna see. Like I've told you guys before, I am starting to really love the kinky straight hair versus like the silky straight hair. Girl, it just hits different. Especially when you black, it just looks more natural. So of course it does have the straps. I'm gonna pull these a little tighter and fit it on my head and see if we need a darker cap or if we can mask it with some makeup. Okay, yeah, so our cap is a little light, girl, and the hair comes down. It's like a little, I think it's blunt all the way around. I'm about to say it's a little shorter on the back, but this is what we're looking like. So this could easily be a glueless install, but I'm probably going to do some gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace, girl, front and back. Like I said, I feel like this is a little too light, so we're gonna change that here in a minute. But with that being said, I think we are ready to gel this down. I'm gonna go ahead and skip through this, and y'all can just stick around for the next like what, 20-30 seconds while I finesse this gel down. All right, so she pretty much getting down there. We're gonna pluck it and, you know, customize it and do all that stuff here in a minute, but she's down. This particular wig does not have a good like little flat right here, so I'm actually gonna pull some of my hair down, because y'all know I like to have like a little bit of baby hair right there. So I'm just gonna use the gel that's already there to swoop that over. Do you guys like the eyes today? I used my favorite palette ever, which is Huda Beauty Nude. I always try to find an excuse to wear it since it's pink. You know how y'all be getting. All right, I'm gonna tie this down and I'll be right back. Okay, so my hair is tied up. I know I'm looking crazy right now. I actually have to run in there and get my hair tie out the wash, but I kind of want to just straighten this for a second just to see what it's gonna look like, because I'm in my mind, you know, I'm trying to figure out how I want to do my hair. And I always love like blunt cuts or like shorter cuts when it comes to just like trying to look or attempting to look like more mature, you know, like a grown woman hairstyle about my business, you know. So that is one reason I'm really excited about this particular wig, is because it's not every day that I reach for a shorter wig, and I feel like this is gonna sell it for me. I do like the kinky a whole lot better, and I'm excited to see like how thick it's actually gonna look. So I'm really just killing time right now while my edges are being laid. Oh yes, yes girl. Okay, so while my edges are still laying, I'm gonna go ahead through and start to straighten my hair, just the parts that I can see and mess with, and then we're gonna go ahead and do our hairline. Oh yes, I am loving this thickness, girl. This is about to be bomb. I'm excited. Oh, this is about to be bomb. Yes. Yes. All right, y'all, so I almost always like my hair parted on this side, because I don't think I want to go middle part for this. No, I think that's weird. I don't know, with the bob, I've always thought like short hair with the middle part is weird. So just me. Don't judge. I think I'm gonna do a side part, and I'm about to finesse this part real quick, get some mousse and lay it down so that it can really lay how I want it to lay, and then finesse these edges. Y'all know that I'm not no wig expert, so I actually really love doing these videos for you guys because I feel like there are other girls out there like me who, you know, there are girls on YouTube with, like, you know, they're wig experts, but girl, somebody don't be knowing how to lay them wigs like that. I mean, to be honest, I like to show you guys how I lay mine, being someone who is not a, like, expert, and how I try to get mine to look good regardless of my experience level. This is like a little flyaway tamer thing. Looks kind of like a little deodorant stick. I'm gonna keep finessing that in a minute, but first I want to pull out some hair. So I want this to be a little swooped a little bit right here. And you guys are always asking me about edge control. Girl, please, I just use gel. Gel works fine for my hair and my hair texture, so that is usually what I'm using to, like, slick edges down and stuff. And I'm gonna pluck this here in a moment just a little bit, but kind of just want to lay it down. So y'all know how I usually want my hair to, like, go upwards and then over like that. So I'm kind of just pulling it back. I'm gonna tie it down here in a moment just so it can go in the direction that I want it to go. Okay, so I'm hoping it's been tied down for about 3 minutes. Maybe that's enough to have done what I needed it to do. I doubt that, but you know, we're gonna finesse it anyway. Yeah, but definitely was not enough time, but you know, it's cool. So I think I'm gonna put a little bit of a bump into this hair. I kind of just want to give it some volume, so I'm just gonna, like, curl it back in certain places. You girl, did you see what that just did? You know, I'm just gonna play with it a little bit and y'all can just watch me style her. Okay, y'all, so I did take the wig off and reapply it only because that, like I said, my wig cap was way too light and you really could, like, see it under the wig, and I don't like that. Also, adjusting my makeup a little bit. Anyways, I wasn't getting this to go how I wanted to, so I'm kind of just putting some gel here, and I'm gonna take my edges brush, the comb side, and just push it upwards, just to kind of help me out, because tying it down was not working in this short amount of time. Then I'm gonna take the brush side, brush it up, and then go ahead and pull it over like that. And now she's looking how I want her to look. I am gonna go ahead and put a little bit of foundation here on the part to make sure it's looking as natural as possible. And it just helps it to blend into my complexion, sis. And then I'm gonna bump it a little bit more. I just want this front part to really, like, come away from my face. And that is it. I really love this wig. Like I told you guys earlier, you know, I feel like short, kind of blunt wigs give you, like, that grown woman type of vibe, girl. And I can definitely see myself reaching for this wig a lot in the near future, just because I feel like it's my vibe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love this wig. I hope you guys do too. There are links for this hair in the description box for you to check it out if you are interested. Also, thank you so much to WowAfrican for sponsoring us today. If you like this video, please make sure you give me a big thumbs up, comment below, let me know what you thought. Also, make sure that you hit subscribe below if you have not yet, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye.